Good Thursday morning, South Florida, and right now we are mainly dry in Broward and Dade County. A few showers right now across the Keys, and you can see that as we zoom in right around Isla Mirada. And yesterday, just as I warned you, we did have some torrential downpours, especially in the afternoon into the evening, and it looks like today will be a repeat as we have plenty of moisture and instability. So heads up, if you are headed to work, you grab that umbrella, the rain gear, and for those of you who are without power, at least the rain brings a little bit of relief and bring those temperatures down a bit as we head into the hottest part of the day, right? The winds calm, and of course we all prefer to have more of a breeze if you are without AC. And right now upper 70s and 80s, once again very warm and muggy. It feels like the mid to upper 80s and even the 90s. So I'm gonna continue to stress these heat safety tips because you all need to stay hydrated, drinking plenty of water. If you can, stay in the shade and limit strenuous outdoor activity. I know some of you are still cleaning up, and if you are going to be outside, take frequent breaks, maybe use that ice cold towel to help you out, and then check on the elderly, the sick, children, and those that are vulnerable and those that are without air conditioning. As you can see, we just had an unfortunate tragedy with that nursing home, so something for us all to be aware of. Never leave your kids or your pets in enclosed vehicles. If you're going to be headed to a grocery store, running errands, temperatures inside a car can rise 20 degrees within 10 minutes, so look before you lock. And as we look at the rest of the state right now, upper 70s, so it's not as hot in Orlando, for example, and actually pretty cool in Gainesville and Tallahassee with the upper 60s. And we're seeing it is quite cool across the rest of the U.S., feeling like fall, certainly as we see widespread 60s in Cincinnati, Chicago, St. Louis, Memphis, even down into Atlanta and New Orleans enjoying the upper 60s, into Dallas, Kansas City, 74 in Houston, 70s in New York City and D.C., 69 in Boston, and also over on the West Coast, cool with the 60s right now. So here we are dealing with some of that rain right now across parts of the Northeast New England areas, and the Northeast is actually going to have to monitor Hurricane Jose closely. Right now, Category 1, max sustained winds 75 miles per hour, moving to the west at 3 miles per hour, and forecast to weaken to a tropical storm as we head into tomorrow to the west, and then take a turn to the north, and could re-strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane here as we head into Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday. It's a little too close for comfort here near the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast areas. So as we take a look at the models, in agreement that Jose will move to the west and then northward as we head into early next week. So certainly one to watch for our friends up and down the Atlantic seaboard. It's not a threat for us here in South Florida. It's going to stay well to our east. But there's Jose. And then, of course, just as I mentioned that we didn't have any cyclone development in the tropics, now we're seeing a wave off the coast of Africa, disturbance with gradual development possible. So for us, the moisture is going to stick around today, and then we'll start to see a mix of sun and storms as we get into Saturday. It looks like most of the moisture associated with Jose will be off to our east, and we're actually going to see drier air for Sunday. For today, 89 degrees with stormy periods, some downpours. We could see some lightning and some flooding, and your extended forecast showing that as we head into your Friday, a mix of sun and storms, and the same goes for your Saturday and Sunday, and highs, unfortunately, will continue in the 90s and feeling like the triple digits.